Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up our health planners for the next week in February. And I've got these Crayola markers here ready to go, as well as these sticker books which I'll pull from. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lay down some wax paper now. I have an idea of what I want to do with this spread, but I'm not exactly sure how it's going to go, so we'll see. I have this large box that I got the inspiration from, and I cut it down already to try to test the waters and see if I can make it work here on the spread. I'm going to use this little quote in the middle on its own, and then the other items I'll use as a pattern, almost like a washi pattern going across the spread. I cut it pretty close to the same size, but not exactly, so I'm going to try to match these up the best that I can. And I thought I would use these along the bottom, and the idea will be to kind of mimic that at the top using the markers in the same colors or similar color scheme. I also have my fitness accessory book here with some different colored boxes that I plan on using for my workouts. Hopefully I can find all the right colors to match up with the theme this week. Some of the colors are a little bit different than what I think the color scheme is in these workout stickers, so we'll see. And I'm just putting them in the order that the actual paint daubs go in across that sticker that I cut up, so that it kind of repeats the same process or the same pattern across the page. And just looking for the right colors. It's a little bit tricky, like I said, in some of the colors. Even the markers, trying to find the right markers to go with the colors that I was thinking of was a challenge for sure. So I had found that one there with a gradient tone, but didn't really want it to be a gradient, so we're going to try some different things here. And as I was flipping through, I saw these food log stickers that I might want to use, so I'll put those to the side and keep looking for the right color box for my Sunday workout area. And I think that'll do. I'll go ahead and move over some of these food log stickers that I think will work with the spread, like I mentioned. And now I'm back in the Happy Quotes sticker book, looking just for another sticker or something that will match up with the color scheme to put on my rest day. And I had seen this weekend sticker, weekend plans it said, but I didn't want to introduce the gold foiling, so I cut off the word plans, and I'm just going to use the word weekend there for some color and added interest there on the workout area. And I'm going to go through my sticker stash of habit trackers and stat stickers that I made on my computer. Just found it easier to have these on hand when I make these spreads so that I don't have to worry too hard about the design of the habit trackers or the stat stickers. So I think I like the lighter versions here with the more white tones. I thought about bringing in black again this week like I did last week, since it is going to be a colorful spread. I'm going to try it out just being a little bit more on the light side and see how that goes. And then I'm just canvassing here my book for fitness and seeing if there's anything else I want to bring in here, maybe for the sidebar. Really looking for a quote or something kind of large to take up some space. That'll leave me with a little bit of space there to do my goals. Didn't really find anything that I was in love with there. But I think what I need to do is really put in the main decor with the markers and see how that lays out, and then I'll add in any extra stuff I feel like I need after I see that. So I'm going to go ahead and start by whiting out the entire top box here for the decor. And I'm just using a white pen, a jelly roll from Sakura that I love to use on these fine lines. Works really great for just kind of creating that clean background that I need for a lot of my decor. And I wasn't sure if I was going to white out the top line at first, but I think I will, and I'll just have my idea kind of carry through even from the very top of the page down into the first box. And I'll go ahead and lay in that quote box I had cut out, kind of get the party started over there, and then start figuring out how I want these little daubs to look. So like I said, I pulled the markers in the color scheme that I found in that large sticker. It's kind of replicating the feel of that sticker here at the top using the markers. And I think I'm going to keep it to one color a day, even though across the bottom the strips of sticker will continuously vary between this color scheme going in a repeating pattern. I think I just want it to look a little bit more simplified here at the top, so I'll just do one color per day in the same order of colors that you find down below in the washi strip. Now, one of the things that I'll come across a little bit later is that some of the colors, like I said, were really hard to find in my markers, so that was one challenge. Some of these aren't a perfect match as far as the color scheme, but I think they're close enough. And then on Saturday, I didn't pull a specific color for Saturday, but there is a navy tone in the quote sticker that's there in the sidebar. So I think I'll end up pulling one more marker and using navy just to kind of close off Saturday's color, even though that's not really found in the sticker strips below. I'm just trying to keep the daubs kind of vertical. Kind of looks like brush paint strokes in the sticker itself, so I'm going to try to mimic that as I go. Some a little bit big, some a little bit small, but still, again, trying to keep a more vertical look to each of the dots as I draw them in. So here I'm finished with all the colors that I actually pulled, and then here is that navy one that I needed to kind of complete Saturday. I think it looks good. Add some color, some pattern and texture at the top, and will, I think, play nice with the washi styling of the sticker at the bottom. So I thought I might bring in some navy washi or some blue washi here just to kind of tie more of that navy in. So I did pull some washi there in navy, and I'm looking through my stash to see if there's anything else I want to add in for more color and pattern. I just realized it was going to be a lot to add in a full like rainbow style washi tape. So I think I'll stick with maybe the navy and a pattern, but I'm not 100% sure I even want the navy because it draws a lot of attention to it with that, you know, stronger blue color. So I'll set it to the side for now and move back to placing stickers and just get an idea of how everything will lay out. And I made a few adjustments on the placement of things. I'm going to now lay in the washi strips. I think I'll need to start here from the edge on the right, just so that I can make sure everything's aligned and properly patterned, if you will. And I like how this is turning out. It's looking pretty good so far. I'm going to trim out this edge of the sticker and then continue it on to the next page. And I thought about kind of finishing out the washi into the sidebar bit, but I obviously don't have all the washi that I need, or not washi, the sticker that I need, but I could kind of make it work so it covers at least the bottom edge there with that extra piece. And now I will lay in my stat stickers. I'll just quickly pre-cut them so they're ready to go and place them on my fingers so I'm ready to place them down. And again, I went lighter on these ones. I wanted just kind of like a clean look, and I think these worked out well. Need to adjust this guy. It was a little bit crooked. And okay, I got that in. And here's where I'm thinking about the washi, how I might bring it in. I think it would be kind of nice maybe at the top or along the bottom, but I feel like I need to keep things a little bit more clean on this because there is quite a bit of color and it's not in a true rainbow pattern, so you know, it just does look a little bit colorful, and so adding too much of any one thing might be a little bit more than it needs. And I'm going to use the white to my advantage to keep this spread looking fresh instead of just overwhelming. So I'm bringing in those kind of colorful breakfast, lunch, and dinner prompts. I don't really eat breakfast, so I have a little bit of leeway there on how much room I need to give it. It gives me a little bit more of an area to put in my lunch and dinner below. And then I'll probably have a very small space there at the bottom for my total calories, since the washi sticker kind of takes up a lot of space there at the bottom. I had that happy quote, so I was just kind of browsing through there looking for maybe something else for the sidebar, and I think I like this rainbow "Happy Days Are Here" sticker. And I think it's a nice mirror of the weekend sticker on the other side. So once I am done finishing that out, we will be done, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye!